That was so difficult.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. Trap nigga with the chickens like Popeye.
Hi guys, what's up? It is Kamaria here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing something a little different on my channel. Today I'm going to actually be trying to do a Easter like themed makeup thing. I usually do these type of videos on my vlog channel, so make sure you guys go subscribe to my vlog channel, Kamaria Vlogs, link down below. Also all my social media such as Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all of that will be linked down below because I don't really have a colorful palette. So I just went to the store and I got this palette that's really bright. It really screamed Easter to me, so I got it and it was only like $2 and it comes with just 5 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purple, there's a light pink, an orange, a green, and a light green. I don't know what exactly I am doing today, but I want to utilize this. I also got some false eyelashes, but I don't know how to use those yet, so I'm gonna see if I put those on. We'll see. Wow. Let's start with the eyeshadow. I'm like really interested in this pink color. I hope it's as pigmented as it looks. I'm gonna just put that in my crease. Okay, it is pigmented. Yeah. Stay quesadilla. Okay. Come on in. Come on in.
You gonna put music on, right?
I'm gonna be typing it like every couple of minutes or something like that. And then I just did I talk the whole time?
Yeah, that's what they be doing. They be like, did I just? And so today, do some dark. Oh, that's all dark. That's as dark as it get, huh?
Yep. But it's gonna be easier because you're gonna be closer to more jobs.
This is where you be?
Yes. Sometimes I'll be over there. I'll be over here. You know they selling this at Family Dollar now? I just saw it today.
For real?
Yes.
But they probably got our shades.
Yes, they had this one.
It's cheap.
$6.
Yeah, that's how much it is. Mine's was $5.
Boy, I have paid. Walgreens, you know how much I paid? Freaking $10.
I don't go there. I went to Walmart. They boost the prices up, but it was like $5 when I first started buying it. Oh my god, they be tripping, bro. They be getting on us.
Okay. So I'm gonna take. Oh, okay, it was upside down. Okay, so I'm gonna take this green right here. We're gonna put that on the outer corner. Now we're gonna go in with the lighter green. We're gonna put that towards the inner part of the eye. So far, this is what we're working on. What? Our bunny's nose is white. No, they're pink. So I'm gonna use this lipstick as my nose thing. What does her nose look like? I don't know. It's like, it's kind of like my nose, but it's like not. Use my NYX Jumbo eye pencil for the inside of my eye. That is what we're working with. And now for this LA Colors Matte to the Max Metallic Lipstick in the shade Glaze CG435. Oh, and it smells like vanilla. Yes. I've never used false eyelashes before, so this could either make or break the look. And for eyelash glue, I'm gonna be using some hair glue. So I'm using this Wet n Wild Shredding the Fringe falsies. Let it get tacky or whatever. I'm gonna just do this off camera and we'll see what happens. That was so difficult. Moving on to the next one. Okay guys, so this is as good as it's gonna get. I think this one turned out better even though this one took longer. This one was more easier to put on the second time, but it's like farther back than this one. So yeah, and it's like closer up. Happy Easter Fool. Oh, let me talk about something. Okay, so y'all, April Fool's is April 1st, right? And I guess Easter is the first Sunday of April, right? So anyway, somebody was like, I can't believe April Fool's and Easter is on the same day. And I was like, no, it's not. Like, there can't be two holidays on the same day. I was wrong. I was sitting there really arguing with them. Like, I was really arguing with them. But I guess since April Fool's isn't necessarily a real holiday, I guess it can have two holidays on the same day. Make sure to go subscribe to my vlog channel where I do makeup videos on the weekly / actually I haven't posted in a while, but I have more videos coming soon. So stay tuned. Did you guys?
Do you want that quesadilla?
Yes, I want my quesadilla.